What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this Spectrum logo reveal animation in After Effects in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for After Effects and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Drag and drop this file into your After Effects workspace. In the Project panel, click the arrow to expand and view the contents of the imported project. Double-click on the logo composition to open it. This is where the logo will be positioned. Inside, you'll find a composition with a black triangle and an area labeled as invisible. Your logo will be placed within the triangle. Import your logo by dragging and dropping it into the project section. Make sure to use a logo file with a transparent background, usually in PNG format. Then, drag the logo file from the project section onto the timeline. Adjust the size and position of your logo by selecting the layer and pressing S for scale and Shift and P for position. Fine-tune these settings to your preference. The logo part is now complete. Next, double-click the text composition to add your tagline into the intro. Within this composition, double-click the Your Text section in the preview window. Enter your chosen tagline. For this tutorial, we'll use TagHow, but feel free to customize it. Now, double-click on the composition named Main to preview your logo reveal animation. Keep in mind that it might be laggy on the first playthrough. Once the entire timeline is rendered, indicated by the green line above the timeline, you'll have smooth playback. You can also explore two other variants of the logo reveal within the main composition. To choose a variant for export, double-click the one in the timeline section. Finally, you're ready to export the file. Go to File, Export, Add to Media Encoder Queue. Once the composition is in the media encoder, click on the Start button to initiate the rendering process. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.